Is it working? Huh? It's working, it's working, it's working. I can't do this anymore. I have filmed this intro 3 times and 3 times it was blurry. 3 times. Can you guys stop? I don't have a mic. Just stop. Oh. Hi guys, my name is Susmita. Hi. Nice to meet you. You guys don't wanna shake my hands. I know they're very dirty. I am a very dirty person anyway. So yes. So I was thinking about giving my room a makeover, and this is really awkward. And hi guys, don't look at me like that. This video will be divided into actually 3 different videos. I can't do all the DIYs in this one single video. I can't do it because I am working on 3 walls. The wall that has my mirror, the wall that's behind my bed, and my desk wall. So I need 3 videos for that. So I will be starting this video with the desk organization, which will have a macrame and a mood board or a vision board or a doodle board, whatever you call. Like, anyways, let's get started. I don't like lengthy videos. Okay, so this is what my wall looks like right now. Basically, I have this tray and this old board which I have from the old mood board. So this is the front part of the board. Lol, just look at it. So I'm not going to remove the old cover. I'm just going to add a new piece of paper over it because I'm too lethargic to remove it. Yeah, so I'm gonna add a new chart paper. I'm gonna paste it. So after you have pasted the chart paper, you will need some sort of watercolor, any type of watercolor. I am using fabric pens. Yes, just look at me. I am using fabric pens on my chart paper. Anyway, by the way, you can use any sort of designed paper or good quality cloth, anything over a mood board. Like, I am just using watercolor as my background, but you can paste designed printouts or any sort of colorful paper on your board. So there is no perfect way of creating an ombre painting. You just need to make sure that you use enough water and that the paint is well mixed. Once you're done, just let it air dry. I have no idea why my camera is dancing like this. Oh my god, stop it. So this is the next step. This is optional and actually totally depends on you. You can bring printouts for this and cool pictures, and yeah, but then I didn't have time for that, so I thought of making my own doodles. So I went to Pinterest and I made my own doodles. But then I just thought, why should I waste my time showing you how to draw doodles? So I cropped that video. As I said, this part is totally optional. You can go ahead and paste your printouts from Tumblr and it will look really cute. So now that the board has dried out, I'm taking a blue string. You can take ropes, anything, basically a string. So I'm taking this woolen string and I'm tying a knot at the back of the board. Okay, now I'm gonna tie this string in a very haphazard way. There is no perfect way of doing this. Just tie it around the board, and when you're done, just tie a knot at the back. this is the fun part. Just go ahead and attach your doodles or your printouts, your pictures to the board. You can use any sort of clips. I'm just using paper clips here. The reason I'm using paper clips because that way I can make new doodles or bring new printouts and replace the old ones. And you can put the pictures in a very even way, but I really don't like the even way. I really like it messy, and I think the messier the board is, the prettier it looks. Again, this step is optional. Your mood board is ready, but I really love fairy lights, and I kind of think the mood boards are incomplete without fairy lights, so I am using the fairy lights only at the borders. So this is the part where I got so scared. Why? Because I thought my lights won't work, and I was like, shit, I need a new fairy light. But then they did work. So your mood board is ready, and yeah, looks pretty. So for the macrame, you're gonna need one wooden stick and yarn or wool. This is a really cheap quality wool. So you're gonna take it like this way and form a loop and pass the rest through the loop. This is really easy. So basically you're forming a loop over the wooden stick, and then you are passing the ends of the wool through the loop. And there you go, you have a knot. Okay, so there are 4 knots right now. I think I'm gonna go for 6 knots. You can make a bigger macrame and form lots of knots like 12, 18, but I wanted to go for a smaller macrame, so I'm sticking to 6 knots. And you can take wool of any length. And okay, so I have knotted the first and the second knot together, and the third and the fourth knot together. Now I'm gonna knot the fifth and the sixth knots together. I'm going to do a double knot, one, and then I'm gonna go for another knot. This is the second knot. So this is called a double knot. Okay, now comes the next step. This is the tricky part. What we are going to do is that we are going to eliminate the side parts. Again, eliminate the side part and continue double knotting. After this, again we are going to eliminate the side parts and we are going to double knot the rest, and it gives the shape of a triangle. An inverted triangle. Okay, give it a haircut, make it look even, and yeah, there you go. But I'm going to attach another layer to the macrame. Basically what I'm doing here is that I am attaching bundles of yarn to one single yarn and making it look like a chain or a wall hanging or something like that. It looks like this. I am placing the first layer of the macrame over the second one, and what you're going to do is that you're going to take the ends of the second layer and tie it to the wooden stick. give it a little bit of haircut, make it look even. And then you're done. One part is done, the desk organization. If you guys really like the video, then do comment down below. And I have no such expectations from this video, but I do hope that I get a minimum of 5 to 6 likes and 10 views. Yeah, baby steps, yes. I'm going to tell you guys a secret. That is, I forgot to shoot an intro and an outro for this video, and I have totally edited the whole DIY video, the DIY desk decor, and when I was going to upload it, I realized I don't have an intro and an outro. So here am I sitting, cringing, shooting an intro and an outro.